Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Ergo-Tek Mesh Manager Chair. Features: Ergo-Tek Luxury Mesh Manager's Chair. Luxury mesh back executive chair with Elastimesh. And a breathable seat pad. Normal mesh chairs over a period of years can stretch and do not provide the essential back support that is required from an office chair. Elastimesh has memory and recovers to its original position, maintaining support and ensuring your chair looks great for years. Also fitted with a multi-adjustable lumbar support. Soft padded, height and width adjustable armrests. And a multi-adjustable headrest. The Ergo-Tek also includes a seat tilt function with a tension control adjuster to suit the user's body weight. The weight tension controller adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. And the gas seat height adjuster can be used to suit the user's height. Available from stock in 4 colours with free next day delivery. The Ergo-Tek is fitted with a BIF-Matesti gas lift and can support users up to 25 stone, 154 kilograms. The chair also comes with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.